going to start with my control position on my 12-inch classic Emperor ring. And I'm a southpaw, so my right foot's going to be forward, but I want your left hand in front. So we're going to start with your basic jab, uppercut, hook sequence. So I'm going to jab with my right hand, I'm going to uppercut with my left, and then hook with my right. After that, I'm going to close the distance between me and my opponent, and I'm going to weave my hands. Now, instead of just striking distance, now I'm at bridging distance. And so now I'm going to weave my hands, I'm going to cover, and I'm going to do a straight punch, a back fist, and then I'm going to grab my opponent. All right. From here, now I'm going to start working on conditioning. And so I'm going to take this bottom hand and I'm going to pull it back to the ring. Now, when I'm in this position, I'm actually going to use my bottom hand to help my striking hand. So when I go down, I'm going to strike with my palm on the inside of the ring. I'm going to pull up. And then when I come back and hit, and I'm going to do what we call pick style, like this, and I'm going to use the ring to hit my forearm. Be careful, even though pick style is really hitting with the wrist, I'm just hitting the forearm, okay? So I don't want to hit the joint. After that, I'm going to slice down. This part, I'm actually going to use the curvature of the ring to work on my conditioning. So I'm going to slice down, and then I'm going to come up this part of the ring here, and then Phoenix Fist strike forward. And you could just do a straight punch if you don't use the Phoenix Fist. So let's look at that so far, all right? So I'm going to start with my left hand forward. I'm going to jab or straight punch. I'm going to uppercut, and then I'm going to hook. After my hook, I'm going to bridge. I'm going to grab my opponent's arm and then do a straight punch. I'm going to do it again with a back fist. I'm going to do it again and then claw. After I claw, I'm going to grab. Then palm, wrist, slide, and then Phoenix Fist strike. From here, I'm going to switch sides. I'm going to grab the ring. So if I strike straight out, I'm going to turn my thumb down and grab the ring. And then I'm going to slide through my hand and turn over. Now, as you can see, I'm holding the ring with my right hand in front. This is the opposite of how we started. So if I wanted to, I could shuffle my feet. I could go straight punch, uppercut, hook, and then repeat on the other side. So here's my straight punch, my back fist, my claw. Then I'm going to grab palm, wrist, dig, shoot. And then after I punch, my thumb comes down, I grab the ring, and then I rotate it in my hand. Now my left hand is forward again, and I can switch. 1, 2, 3, punch, back fist, claw, grab, 1, 2, 3, 4. Grab, turn over, let's switch. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to bridge. I'm going to grab, punch, back fist, claw, grab, 1, 2, 3, 4. Grab, turn over, then switch. Straight punch, uppercut, hook, bridge, punch, back fist, claw. Bottom hand slides in, palm, wrist, dig, and then Phoenix strike. And then I can just keep repeating, switching sides, and then uppercut, hook, punch, back fist, claw, 1, 2, 3, 4, repeat. So here's your chain drill. This is a fantastic way to develop your conditioning as well as gating your hands. One of the main benefits of using a ring is keeping both hands alive and active. A lot of times when adrenaline spikes and you have that hormone dump, that fight or flight reaction, the hands tend to seize and the body gets really tense. This is a way to ensure that when you're training, that your hands are staying fluid and active. That becomes more like muscle memory, that both hands move when you're hitting and striking than one hand being stuck back here guarding while the other hand's trying to work. Ultimately, for good self-defense and good combat, you want both hands to be exchanging and moving and alive. So this is a great way to use the ring in solo practice to ensure that both hands are active and gated. Enjoy.